Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another keyboard from Epomaker. This is the F75 keyboard. They have a collab with AULA, and this is the box of it. As you can see, we have a 75% layout. We still got the arrow keys, delete page up, page down, and I think we have a volume knob right here. And on the back we have the model and the manufacturer's information. It says here 75% hot swappable gasket mounted mechanical keyboard with rotary knob, and pretty much that's all with the box. I will go ahead now and open it. I will show you guys what you get inside, and after that maybe we will put it to the test. I'm gonna set it up next to my setup so you guys can get an understanding how it will look next to your setup as well. And yeah, let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. As always, we'll start with the small stuff first. So we have a setup guide right here, and here we have a 30-second quick operation guide. It will tell you what the keys do. I suggest you give both reading. Just read them. They will help you understand how you can use the keyboard to its full potential and how you can take advantage of all the features that this keyboard has. They included two spare switches. We got 5-pin switches right here, keycap and a switch puller. Pretty basic one. This is what most keyboard manufacturers use. And we have a USB Type A to USB Type C cable. This is used to either use the keyboard in wire mode or charge it. And as for the keyboard, this is the front of it. I like the accents. The color accents, it looks really great. We have obviously the volume knob right here. On the back of the keyboard we have some rubber feet on all 4 corners. We have some stands so you can adjust it from flat to medium to high. They have some rubber feet as well, so it won't slide anywhere. On the top we have the Type C port. On the right we have a switch from Bluetooth wired and 2.4 gigahertz, and obviously right here we have the receiver, the 2.4 gigahertz receiver. You'll use this to plug it into your device, that being either your PC or your laptop, and it should work straight away. And pretty much that's it. That's it with what's inside the box. Let's go ahead now and connect it to our setup. So as I said, you guys will get an understanding on how it will look next to your setup. Maybe we'll do a sound test as well, and we'll go from there. So let's do that right now. Alright, so this is how the keyboard looks like when it's fully set up. The RGB looks absolutely amazing. I had to turn off some lights so you guys can have a look at RGB better. But to connect it was fairly simple. You take that 2.4 gigahertz receiver that I showed you earlier, you switch to 2.4 gigahertz mode, the keyboard will turn on, and you connect that receiver to any available USB Type A port on your device, and it will work straight away. As you can see, the keyboard, it's pretty responsive. I think it's got 1000 hertz of pulling rate, and it just works really good. The RGB can be changed. I think it's got per key RGB. You can get more details about that in the quick start guide. I just want to get a sound test for you guys, so I will get as close as I can on the keyboard with the camera so you guys can get an understanding on how the keyboard sounds like. Yeah, it sounds great in my opinion, being made out of plastic either, but that gasket mount really helps. Obviously they got some foam in there as well. It sounds absolutely beautiful, and pretty much that's it. It's a great keyboard. It's budget friendly as well. You won't break the bank getting it. If you guys want to buy the keyboard, I will have a link in the video description down below. You can also check their website. Epomaker makes a lot of other keyboards. They have choices for everybody. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.